Hi, Gerard Lykon Automotive. We have a 2017 Subaru Impreza here. Customer's complaint is when he's driving down the road at 40 miles an hour, he complains about a noise he hears on the suspension. Now this is all-wheel drive. When you're driving 40 miles an hour, it's kind of hard to hear. A lot of times you have to take a technician with you. And if you take a technician and you're trying to listen to the noise travels. So, Steelman makes this really neat product. It has 4 of these that clamp on the suspension. You can put this on each one of the wheels, or even if it's transmission noise, engine noise, whatever the noise is, you can turn around and tell with this. Now what's nice about it is this is a magnet and it's Velcro, so you can put this on the suspension. This clamp here, you think this clamp is a clamp. Well, it is. But also, watch this here. It's a microphone. And look how sensitive it is. So that makes it really easy to get an idea where the noise is coming from. So we drove this down with only one guy. We didn't have to have 2 mechanics out there. And we put one on each wheel. And the left front wheel bearing, let me show you here. Normally we Velcro this up on the suspension, but I just want to show it to you. Up here you'll see where it's clamped. We clamped it right near the suspension. And what it turned out to be is that wheel bearing, it's not loose or nothing, but that wheel bearing is making noise. So therefore we know the other 3 weren't making noise, and we noticed it on that wheel, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna recommend replace that wheel bearing. This really isolates where the problem is. It's hard enough to find the problems, but once you have a good tool like this, it helps isolate where the problem is. Thank you very much, Gerard Lykon.